In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a missing toolbar in Google Sheets. If your menu bar and toolbar suddenly vanished, don't panic. This usually happens when a simple view shortcut gets toggled. Common symptoms are an empty strip across the top, missing icons, or the formula bar shifting upward. Your data isn't gone. It's just the interface tucking itself away. The good news is that bringing everything back takes just a moment, and I'll walk you through the 3 fastest fixes so you can keep working without interruption. First, try the small downward arrow at the very top right of the Google Sheets window. Move your mouse all the way to the top edge of the sheet and look to the far right for a little arrow pointing down. If you don't immediately see it, glide your cursor to the very top and pause for a second. The control can appear only when you hover near it. Click it once. Instantly, your File, Edit, View, and the rest of the menus slide back into place, along with the standard toolbar buttons. This arrow is designed to hide and reveal the menu area to give you more room on screen. So if you ever see your menus collapse again, that same arrow is the quickest restore button. If the arrow doesn't appear, or your toolbar still seems missing, use the compact control shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and F together. This toggles the toolbar on and off. If you hit it by mistake earlier, Sheets will have hidden your toolbar to maximize workspace. Pressing the shortcut again flips it back. Make sure your cursor is active in the sheet when you try it, since the shortcut only works when Sheets is in focus. You may notice the sheet area jump slightly as the top controls collapse or expand. That's normal. You'll know it worked as soon as you see the toolbar and menus reappear across the top. Finally, if everything looks gone, including the sheet tabs at the bottom, you're probably in full screen mode. In that view, most controls are hidden to eliminate distractions. Simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. That exits full screen and restores your full workspace controls, including the menus, toolbar, and tabs. Give it a second, and the entire interface should return to normal. That's it. Start with the top right arrow, then try the compact control shortcut. And if your entire interface is stripped down, exit full screen with Escape. These are view toggles, not file changes, so your spreadsheet content remains safe. Keep these quick checks in mind, and you'll be back to work in seconds.